Greatness is not a destiny granted to a few, but a decision available to anyone.
I am particularly excited about this morning's keynote speaker. Having served across a wide range of senior management roles, from CEO to VP of Marketing to Chief Innovation Officer, Byron Reese is an accomplished high-tech trailblazer, an inventor, an entrepreneur, and a lifelong historian. He is the author of Infinite Progress: How the Internet and Technology Will End Ignorance, Disease, Poverty, Hunger, and War. And his next book, due this year, is Fourth Age: Smart Robots, Conscious Computers, and the Future of Humanity. What I love most about listening to Byron is his unapologetic optimism. As Los Angeles Times Magazine put it, Reese believes that planet Earth is ultimately a pretty good place and it's getting better all the time. Ladies and gentlemen, Byron Reese.
If I just started off by saying things are about to change, that would just seem like a yawner, right? Like, that's old news. But if you say things are going to change only for the fourth time in 100,000 years, well, now that's something worth paying attention to. And of course, it's being changed by technology. How do you change your company to stay relevant with the times? And then what do you do when your entire industry is undergoing change? These things are not linear. They happen really quickly, and that's the moment that we find ourselves in today. Technology drives progress. While it took us 3,000 years to go from the abacus to the iPad, in 20 years you're going to have something as far ahead of the iPad as it is ahead of the abacus. What are you awesome at? And how do you do it in this new world I'm talking about? And so what I would like to do is start off by talking to that. Let's see where this world that we're in is heading. You live at the great turning point of all of history. And because you were here, because you were part of making that better world, you can all tell your children and your grandchildren that you were part of making this world that we had all dreamed would someday be possible.